Hey! Welcome to Species. Here we talk everything pets and sometimes other not so friendly animals. Today, I will be talking about some endangered species. Before we continue, please like, comment and subscribe to get more exciting contents. You may wonder, what are endangered animals? An endangered animal is an animal species that is very likely to become extinct in the near future if good measures are not taken. Animal species become endangered for two main reasons. 1. Loss of habitat, and 2. Loss of genetic variation. But today we will not be discussing the reasons for their being endangered, rather we would only bring to you 6 animals that are likely to go extinct much more sooner. Number 1. Gorillas. Gorillas are gentle giants and display many human-like behaviors and emotions, such as laughter and sadness. In fact, gorillas share 98.3% of their genetic code with humans. Gorilla species have been decreasing in numbers for decades, and a 2010 United Nations report suggests that they may disappear from large parts of the Congo Basin by the mid-2020s. The bad news is that over 80% of these animals exist outside protected areas, and gorilla populations are declining rapidly by as much as 2.7% annually. Gorillas have a low rate of reproduction, which makes it difficult for gorillas to recover from population declines. This decline is why gorillas continue to be listed as critically endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's list of threatened species. We also have good news for you, but you have to watch till the end to get it. Number 2. Black rhino. Populations of black rhino declined dramatically in the 20th century at the hands of European hunters and settlers. Between 1960 and 1995, black rhino numbers dropped by a sobering 98%, reducing their population to less than 2,500. Since then, the species has made a tremendous comeback from the brink of extinction. Thanks to persistent conservation efforts across Africa, black rhino numbers have doubled from their historic low 20 years ago to around 5,500 today. However, the black rhino is still considered critically endangered, and a lot of work remains to bring the numbers up to even a fraction of what it once was, and to ensure that it stays there. Wildlife crimes such as poaching and black market trafficking of rhino horn continues to plague the species and threaten its recovery. Number 3. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant is classified as endangered by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. Its population has declined by an estimated 50% over the past 75 years, and there are an estimated 20,000 to 40,000 Asian elephants left in the wild. If measures are not taken, Asian elephant may go extinct in the next couple of years. Number 4. Snow leopard. Snow leopards continue to face a number of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and increasing conflict with human communities. And climate change is now putting the future of their mountain home at even greater risk. With all these working together, the total population of snow leopard is estimated to be between 4,000 to 6,500 leopards left in the wild. These animals need protection to avoid their disappearance from nature. Number 5. Tiger. After a century of decline, overall wild tiger numbers are starting to tick upward. Based on the best available information, tiger populations are stable and increasing in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Russia, and China. After decades of uncontrolled persecution and relentless habitat destruction, wild tiger populations have declined by more than 95%, from an estimated 100,000 to as low as 3,000. Today, an estimated 3,900 tigers remain in the wild, but much more work is needed to protect this species if we are to secure its future in the wild. In some areas, including much of Southeast Asia, tigers are still in crisis and declining in number. Number 6. Blue whale. Blue whales were significantly depleted by commercial whaling activities worldwide. Today, blue whales are listed as endangered species under the Endangered Species Act and also by the Marine Mammal Protection Act. Recent data suggest these giants to have a population of 10,000 to 25,000 individuals. Let's see how these protective measures save these animals. This list shows a very tiny portion of endangered species because there are over 50 animals our action are gravely affecting, so for the good news we promised. The Asian great panda is officially no longer considered an endangered species because of human efforts to preserve them. These efforts have resulted in a 17% increase of its population in the last 10 years. If these trends continue, we will likely see more of our bamboo-eating bear. Like and subscribe for more exciting content. You can also tell us what you want to see next in the comments. Enjoy your pets.